Hey Tuck followers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Casper Hybrid mattress. Casper took their original mattress and upgraded it by putting in a pocketed coil support core. But how does it stand up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Testing the Casper Hybrid today, we have lightweight sleeper Elizabeth, average weight sleeper Charles, and heavyweight sleeper Mary. To unbox the Casper Hybrid, grab a friend and move the box to its final destination. Put the mattress on your intended frame and cut it out of the plastic. Give it about 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. The Casper Hybrid is a 12-inch mattress. The cover is made from polyester. The comfort layers consist of 1.5 inches of polyfoam, over 1.5 inches of memory foam, over 1.5 inches of zoned transitional polyfoam. That means that there'll be some softer foam underneath the shoulders and firmer foam underneath the hips. The support core consists of 6 inches of pocketed coils sitting on top of 1 inch of high-density base foam. The Casper Hybrid falls at about a 5.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium mattress. If you compare the feel of this bed to the original Casper, the Hybrid is a bit more responsive and less conforming. Compared to other hybrids, it's the opposite. It's more conforming and less responsive. To test for support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. All 3 of our sleepers received adequate support, but it was a bit better for our lightweight sleeper Elizabeth. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a glass with water on one side of the bed and have Mary move around the opposite side. The Casper Hybrid performed better than your average hybrid mattress, so it did absorb motion and minimize that transfer across the surface of the bed. When taking a look at edge support, all 3 of our sleepers experienced significant sinkage when sitting close to the edge of the bed, but most of our sleepers did feel supported when sleeping close to the edge of the bed. Ultimately, it's better than all foam beds, especially the original Casper, but we expected a bit more given the hybrid construction. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure the Casper Hybrid relieves. As you can see by the readouts, all 3 of our sleepers received adequate pressure relief, but the Casper Hybrid did a great job relieving pressure from our lightweight sleeper, Elizabeth. Taking a look at temperature neutrality, we found that the Casper Hybrid stayed quite cool throughout the night. It's significantly more temperature neutral compared to the original Casper, and that's due to the addition of the pocketed coils in the support core. Now let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Okay, Elizabeth, what did you think of the hybrid Casper mattress?
I really liked it.
Yeah?
I thought it was the perfect amount of soft that I like, but it also had a little firm.
It's a little too soft for my liking, being a heavier sleeper, but I did find a comfortable position on my side.
I think it's a great mattress. It's soft enough for my liking, but it's also firm enough too, so you don't feel like you completely sink in.
And did you feel supported when sleeping close to the edge?
Yeah, I was not going anywhere.
I think I like the edge support the most. I was right on the edge, hanging off a little bit, and I didn't go anywhere, so it was nice.
Good. What's your favorite thing about this mattress?
I just like how soft it is.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love a soft bed. And also I like that it sits up a little bit higher. So many beds nowadays are so low where I feel like you'd have to drop down to get into it.
It's just really comfortable. It's an overall comfortable level and it's not too soft. It's like perfect middle ground to meet you.
I just love it.
This is your perfect bed.
It's my perfect bed, yeah.
All right, well thank you so much, Elizabeth.
Thank you.
Now let's take a look at how the Casper Hybrid stacked up in our mattress tests. This bed has a soft hybrid feel, so it is more conforming than your typical hybrid mattress. Support was very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was very good and edge support was good. Pressure relief was excellent for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality was very good. Here are a few takeaways from our Casper Hybrid testing. This mattress comes in one firmness option, so if you know you want a really firm or a really soft bed, this might not be the best choice for you. Heavier weight sleepers might find they need more support and hence a firmer mattress than the Casper Hybrid. Those who prefer an all foam mattress are gonna wanna look elsewhere. You definitely sink into this bed, but it is a hybrid bed, so you've got the pocketed coils, it's responsive, and it's not gonna have that all foam feel. Here are a few recommendations based on our testing. Couples will likely enjoy the edge support and the motion isolation that they'll receive from the Casper Hybrid mattress. Light and average weight sleepers will enjoy the firmness of this mattress. Given the construction of this mattress and the firmness and the pressure relief that we found during testing, we think side sleepers will really appreciate the Casper Hybrid. Here's some additional information you'll want to know before deciding to purchase the Casper Hybrid. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck readers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review on tuck.com. Thanks so much for watching our Casper Hybrid mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and for all your sleep needs. Sleep well.